connais ou crier, baby, mais fort. Haïti, moi, pour aller. Miami, ou prêter. Pas ouais qui j'en comment. L'amour, ça pour le dire. Vous voulez pour me continuer. Écris chaque.
Isn't this mine?
Nick, we are in the Gladiator Mojave.
That's where I wanted to ride in.
We're just gonna test what makes our Jeeps trail rated as we go throughout the course. Start us out, we're gonna go 28 feet up, 40 degrees on up, 40 degrees back down.
Deep breaths.
Up here like it's nothing. We are in four-wheel low right now.
Oh, it's like a
Going
roller coaster.
down, we have hill descent control, so the Jeep can actually do all the braking coming down for us. And under the hood is our 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine. We have 285 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque. Also with a brake over, nice and easy. And then we're going about 25 degrees up. Not tipping over because of that low center of gravity that we have. And on the stairs, we're going to test the 11.6 inches of ground clearance. Not going to scrape anything as we drive on up here. Mounting us the rest of the way down. And obviously the top comes off, doors come off as well. Everything's waterproof, so if we get caught in the rain, nothing's getting damaged by that. And it's rocking us from side to side. Sets us down nice and easy.
I should have put super steady on my camera.
Alright.
Ah oui, les long, baby, les long. T'es du long distance, là, pas ta marché. Ah oui, les long, baby, les long. Koto tande l'amour, j'aime de l'eau. Baby, pas noyé. T'es du long distance.